हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स। टुडे वी विल डिस्कस टॉक अबाउट द कैटेगराइज ऑफ नेटवर्क। आज की इस वीडियो में हम लोग कैटेगराइज ऑफ नेटवर्क की कैटेगराइज के बारे में देखेंगे। परफेस फर्स्ट हम लोग देख लेते हैं। परफेस क्या होता है हमारा? द नेटवर्क अलाउस कंप्यूटर्स टू कनेक्ट द कम्युनिकेट विद द डिफरेंट कंप्यूटर वाया एनी टाइप ऑफ नेटवर्क। सो कौन कौन से टाइप हो सकते हैं? लैन, मैन एंड बैन आर थ्री मेजर टाइप ऑफ नेटवर्क एंड वी विल टॉक अबाउट द कैटेगराइज ऑफ नेटवर्क। हम लोग नेटवर्क कैटेगराइज के बारे में बात करेंगे आज। वो नेटवर्क क्या होता है? नेटवर्क अलाउ करता है कंप्यूटर को कम्युनिकेट करने के लिए डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ कंप्यूटर, अलग अलग टाइप के कंप्यूटर थ्रू बाय द कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क, जो कि लैन हो सकता है, मैन हो सकता है, बेन हो सकता है। ये थ्री टाइप के मेन कैटेगराइज हैं कंप्यूटर्स की। सबसे पहले इंट्रोडक्शन देख लेते हैं। इन आवर वर्ल्ड वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ टाइप ऑफ नेटवर्क सच इज। हमारे वर्ल्ड में कई टाइप्स के नेटवर्क हैं जिनको हम लोग देखेंगे, बट यहाँ पर हम लोग कुछ मेन पढ़ेंगे। बट एक बार हम लोग उनके टाइप बता देते हैं आपको क्या क्या होते हैं। पर्सनल एरिया नेटवर्क पैन बोलते हैं, जिसको हम लोग शॉर्ट फॉर्म में पैन बोलते हैं, वैसे पर्सनल एरिया नेटवर्क बोलते हैं। लोकल एरिया नेटवर्क लैन बोलते हैं। वाइड एरिया नेटवर्क बैन बोलते हैं जिसको। मेट्रोपॉलिटन नेटवर्क एरिया नेटवर्क जिसको मैन बोलते हैं हम लोग। वायरलेस लोकल एरिया नेटवर्क डब्ल्यू लैन बोलते हैं। कैंपस एरिया नेटवर्क सीएन स्कैन बोलते हैं। वर्चुअल प्राइवेट नेटवर्क बीपीएन बोलते हैं हम लोग। स्टोरेज एरिया नेटवर्क एसएएन बोलते हैं, जिसको हम लोग सिस्टम एरिया नेटवर्क सान बोलते हैं। पैसिव ऑप्टिकल लोकल एरिया नेटवर्क पोलैन बोलते हैं, जिसको हम लोग पोलैन बोलते हैं, राइट। एंड ऑल दीज टाइप ऑफ नेटवर्क आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कम्युनिकेशन मेथड। ये सभी कम्युनिकेशन मेथड के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है। इन दैट रिसर्च वी विल टॉक अबाउट थ्री टाइप ओनली। देयर आर द वाइड एरिया नेटवर्क, लोकल एरिया नेटवर्क एंड पॉलिटन एरिया नेटवर्क। यहाँ पर मेनली थ्री टाइप डिस्कस करेंगे हम लोग, बाई वैन, लैन और मैन। ठीक है। रिसर्च वी विल टॉक अबाउट थ्री टाइप ऑफ ओनली। देयर आर द वाइड एरिया नेटवर्क, लोकल एरिया नेटवर्क एंड मेट्रोपोलिटन नेटवर्क। ठीक है। एरिया नेटवर्क टाइप ऑफ नेटवर्क कौन कौन से होंगे? लोकल एरिया नेटवर्क की बात करें सबसे पहले, तो लोकल एरिया नेटवर्क कनेक्ट डिवाइसेस विद इन अ लिमिटेड एरिया एज होम ऑफिस स्कूल यूनिवर्सिटी। ठीक है। ये एक लिमिटेड एरिया में नेटवर्क हमारा कनेक्टेड रहता है, लोकल एरिया नेटवर्क। जैसे एज लाइक होम ऑफिसेस स्कूल यूनिवर्सिटीज। लैंस आर द मोस्ट फ्रिक्वेंटली डिस्कस्ड नेटवर्क्स। वन of the most common. LAN is a most common discussed networks, frequently discussed network. LAN is a very most important common network that can anybody use and any personal computers with use. Once the one of the most original and one of the simplest type of network. It is called the simplest and original network is also called that. LAN is connected groups of the computer and low voltage devices. LAN is also connected with the group of computers and individual of computers or low voltage device together across the distance to share the information resource. We can share the information across the together device, a low voltage device through also we can share resource and information on the local area network. Local area network cover smaller graphical area and the privately owned. This is also make up private and ग्राफिकल एरिया इज आल्सो इट इज प्राइवेटली ऑन, खुद का भी खरीदा जा सकता है, ये खुद का नेटवर्क भी हो सकता है। मे बी लैन कैन बी कंटेन कनेक्शन विद अदर लैन वाया लेजर लाइंस लेजर्ड services and across the internet and virtual private network technology. It can be make with virtual private network and internet is also catch, and LAN is designed to allow resource to be shared between personal. Mainly LAN will be designed, LAN have been designed for the personal sharing resource. Personal sharing resource के लिए ये डेवलप किया गया। कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क पर सिचुएशंस। ठीक है। वर्क यहाँ पर सपोज करो भी आर लैन लैन टू कनेक्टेड द लैन के थ्रू कनेक्टेड है। दिस इज द फाइल सर्वर, दिस इज द मेल सर्वर, दिस इज द प्रिंट सर्वर, दिस इज द प्रिंटर। वन प्रिंटर कनेक्टेड विद द 5 कंप्यूटर 1 2 3 4 5। वन फाइल सर्वर इज आल्सो कनेक्टेड द 5 कंप्यूटर। वन मेल सर्वर इज आल्सो कनेक्टेड द 5 कंप्यूटर्स। वन मेल सर्वर प्रिंट सर्वर इज आल्सो कनेक्टेड द 5 कंप्यूटर. In this figure, LAN can be connected some computers via mail server and file service of the printer or etc. ठीक है। Early LAN had data rate in the 4 to 16 MB per second range. This is a range of 4 to 60 MB per second. 2G speeds are the normally 100 to 1000 MB per second. This is speed is the 100 to 1000 MB per second. Metropolitan area network. Now we will discuss talk about metropolitan area network. Metropolitan area network is the high speed communication network. It is the high speed communication network that covered a graphical area as large as a small city. One large city or a small city, we can use the metropolitan area network. We can say that my metropolitan area network connected with more than local area network. It is the more than local area, more local area network, two or more local area network connected with help of metropolitan area network. Metropolitan area network is the computer network that usually spans an city or the large campus. Yep. It can be connected with a large campus or a large city. Metropolitan area network usually connected number of local area network lines by the using a high capacity technology. It is used by high capacity technology and connected with local area networks such as the fabric optical links. It is connected with the fabric optical links. We can see, हम लोग देख सकते हैं, it is a local area network, it is also local area network, it is also local area network, it is also a local area network. Through by connected the metropolitan area network, right? Now, man provides internet connectivity of LAN in the metropolitan region and the connect them the wider area networks like the internet. Man is used in communication between the bank in a city and in a airlines reservation and college within a city, and also communicate with the military. It is always connected with military, airlines and banks and different offices with connected with the man metropolitan area network. Metropolitan area network is used to combine into a network or group of locate in the different building. Different buildings are different networks that can connected with help of metropolitan area network into a single network, and the determined diameter of such as a network can range. This is diameter range is a 5 to 50 kilometer. 5 to 50 kilometers. Man have the data speed range of the 155 MB per second to 10 GB per second. It is very high speed. 155 MB per second to 10 GB per second wide area network. Now we will talk about the wide area network. Wide area network is a network that extend over a large graphical area such as the state or country. It can be make a large area connected with each other up more than PCs through the large area and graphical area such as the state, like state and countries and all over world. Wide area network data rate is slow about the 10th length speed. 10th length speed so the wide area network is not limited to single location. It is not always a single location. It make the more than different more locations, but it is the span over a large graphical area through the phones, lines and satellites or optical fabric. It can be connected through the phones, lines or the satellites or the optical fabric is also connected. Maybe it's not compulsory, it is always connected with optical fabric. It is always connected, maybe satellites, maybe phone lines. It bigger example of the WAN. Wide area network is the internet is most basic example of the WAN connecting all computers together around the world. It is the most common example of the all computers or mobiles connected with all over world in through by the wide area network. Wide area network is used in the field of business, government and education. It is used on the field of the business, governments and education field. It is also used in wide area network. Wide area network enables a user or the organization to connect with the world very easy. It is connected with the very easy and user friendly network and allow the exchange data or the business at the global level. It is allow for me, we will exchange the data with individual or with any organization are in the all over world, right? Example of wide area such as the satellite system companies and offices, 4G mobiles, broadband system, telecommunication companies and etc. There are two types of wide area network, switched wide area network and point to point wide area network. Different between LAN and WAN. Different की बात करें हम लोग. Local area network is the communication network that provides a direct connection for the variety of the computing device. It is the provide the connection different devices and different computing devices, different mobile devices. The features of the LAN are its size and its speed. Our LAN is cover a small graphical area. In most cases, it is limited to the diameter of 200 meters, which is the data speed of the LAN can be anywhere from 10 MB per second and 10 GB per second. Metropolitan area network, it is the network which is the serves a large graphical area 5 to 50 kilometer in a range. It is connected with the 5 to 50 kilometer range. This graphical area can be include a small village or colleges and speed range of the 155 MB per second to 10 GB per second. It can be speed of the 155 MB per second to 10 GB per second. Wide area network की बात करें, it is the telecommunication network that is used to connecting computers and covers a wide graphical area, and it is the content the few is smaller networks such as the LAN, MAN, and the internet. It is an example of the worldwide public WAN, wide area network. So the difference between WAN, LAN, WAN, MAN, LAN, it is the wide area network facilitates communication across long distance greater than 10 kilometers. It is the used for the 10 kilometers is larger than distance, while local area network local facilitates communication across the shorter distance less than 10 kilometers. It is used always in less than distance of 10 kilometers, such as the factories and office building, while the metropolitan area network facilitates communication with the 5 kilometer to 50 kilometer. Now we will talk about the summary of. There are many advantages of LAN over MAN and WAN, such as the LANs provide the excellent high data transmission रेट, दे कैन इजिली बी मैनेज, इसको भी हम लोग इजिली मैनेज भी कर सकते हैं. लोकल एरिया नेटवर्क कैन नॉट बी ओवर सिटी, लोकल एरिया नेटवर्क नॉट यूज्ड इन द कैन ओवर द सिटी और ओवर द टाउन, and for that metropolitan area network is needed which can connect city or a group of city together. It can be used in group of cities together and group of villages together, group of offices together, group of buildings together, and they can be connected countries or the group of the countries. One required wide area network. Speed of the WAN range from few kilobyte per second, kb per second of the megabyte per second, and MB per second. So biggest per problem in the wide area network is the propagation delay. This is the always most common problem in the wide area network. It is the problem of slow data speed. It is transmitted data of slow speed. So this is the complete talk about the type of network. आई होप आपको ये समझ में आया होगा अच्छे से. उम्मीद करता हूँ आपको ये अच्छे से समझ में आया होगा. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माय वीडियो. मिलते हैं हम लोग नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.